I am.
Well, I can call and like report you for that. Because I'm not doing nothing illegal. I'm doing everything by permits. Is there a reason why you gotta record me?
Yeah, I just want to hear what you just said.
Edison chose the meter spot.
That's all I need to hear.
Okay, so like,
Okay?
why do you need to record me?
That's what I'm recording. That's all.
Okay, so you can contact Edison. You don't gotta record me.
I'm not gonna argue with you, dude.
I'm not arguing. I just don't want to be recorded. That's the only thing. I just don't want to get recorded. You could verbally speak with me. You could verbally talk about it, but to be recorded, I don't want that. Can you stop recording me now?
Nope.
What do you need to know now? You're already hooked up here. I give you the information you need. You can contact Edison if you don't like what we just did.
You don't even have a shirt saying where you're from.
Newquest, there's my shirt, my license is in the back, our vehicles are in the front. So can you stop recording me now? Are you done? Please, like, I don't want to be recorded by you.
Just do your work, brother.
Okay, don't record me then. I'm not interfering with your home. Does this interfere with your home, no?
No. You say it doesn't.
Huh?
You say it doesn't. I'm just watching your work.
Okay, you can watch my work, but not record me. Can you stop recording me, please?
Man, get to your work, dude.
Okay, stop recording.
You holding up. You holding yourself up. Get to work.
By you doing that, it puts more risk than me just overthinking what you're doing.
Not if you was working.
I've been working.
You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna send this video to your company and tell them exactly what you just said.
Exactly. I can call my boss over right now.
Don't need to. I'll send them a copy of this.
Oh, that's perfect. I'm not disrespecting you. I'm telling you, Edison chose the meter spot. We get to put the meter here. The reason why they don't want it over there is because it's going over the roof. That's by code. That's what we're moving. Everything we're doing is up to code. We're licensed, we're bonded, we're insured. I'm not interfering with your home. I'm not messing with you, so I don't want to be messed with.
It's been relocated, so I'm filming it, and then I'm gonna let them see it, and I'm gonna ask them if that's where it's supposed to be. That's all.
We have an orange sticker right here. So you got your information, so stop recording me now. Are we gonna be done with this anytime soon? This is just being annoying now, honestly.
I don't see why.
I'm not interfering with your home. I'm not interfering with your cables, with your utilities.
No.
I don't understand what issue you have with me doing my work.
I asked you a question, and you went on and on and on.
Okay, I answered your question. Why we're doing it?
And you started talking about the video instead of just doing the work. If you're doing what you're supposed to, it's no reason to worry about the recorder.
Yeah, I'm just telling you, you don't gotta record.
You got a hat on and you got shades on, so nobody knows who you are anyway.
It don't matter. I'm the lead. I'm the lead of the job right here.
Yeah, but now you're giving information. I just told you, who knows behind who's the shades? You have a beard.
My boss knows who I am.
Yeah, but what I'm saying is that whether I videotape, you disguise anyway. You have a you.
Whether you're recording me, people from my company know who I am. There's really no need for you to be recording me because I told you the information you need to know. I'm respectful of what we're doing. There's no need for you to record me.
But you have shades on and a
It don't
beard
matter what I have.
and a hat. So
It don't matter what I have.
who knows who you are? Unless you give your identity,
It don't
you know.
matter. I don't need to give you my identity or anything.
I never asked for it.
I'm not doing nothing wrong to you, sir.
But you're the one telling all this stuff. I didn't ask you for
You asked
that.
for information. I give you the information.
No, I just asked you about the moving of this
I
thing.
gave you the reason why. Edison was the one that chose it. That's the reason why we're doing it. If you want, I can contact my boss. I'll have him come over. If you want to call Edison, you can go ahead. They'll show up. They'll tell you the reasons why we're doing this. Everything we're doing is up to code.
You, if you want, you can check out the amendments, and it will tell you it's freedom to record. It's not against the law to do that. You have a right to do that.